Welcome to the ball.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
It really is a big space.
It's too big. We won't have enough people.
We just heard that CZ said he's coming.
It's insane how much the tickets and the registrations just jumped.
We sold an extra 200 tickets.
Do we have enough staff? Do we have enough security? Do we have enough catering?
It was testament to our team and our community.
It is too tight. It's really tight.
I've got a pretty big task during Binance Blockchain Week.
We have almost 50,000 items of swags.
You're doing a great job.
We're gonna see exactly what you're gonna do.
We're very excited to have this edition in Dubai.
And ready for what's coming.
It's showtime.
Binance Blockchain Week! Binance Blockchain Week!
And this is our biggest event that we have. We have our main stage to discuss the big global macro topics there. Then on the innovation stage, we'll get into the nitty-gritty on a number of different topics. In addition to all of that, we also have our creator zone, swag store, and game zone to ensure everyone has a great experience at our event.